installation of the bars. They're a little bit higher than I was hoping for, because I was aiming for heights somewhere like here, but these are pretty badass. These are 14s. They're supposed to be 12s. So I got new Harley Davidson grips. They're heated. You got the adjustment over here. They're sticking out quite a bit, but they're pretty badass. So I also got the mirrors upside down. Just swap them. So like you can see, it's a tight fit. The bolt is touching a little bit over here, but it's no big deal. This is still old. That looks pretty good. A little dirty. So the installation went kind of smooth. I was able to run the stock cable. I just straightened it up over here. But I had to order a longer clutch cable because the stock one was way too short. I think I got plus 8. So I also got a ram holder mounted over here on the bars. I still have to work on my aux cable because it's just hanging in there.